This is me, chill face, and now I have to become a lottery winner because that's the rules. So let's become a lottery winner. What? Okay. First, I need to find the chill face. Where is the chill face? Okay, a lottery winner, huh? So, for sure, we have to put that on. And then we have to put that on. I guess we can't do that. Let's become that. Yes. Everything is going to plan. Now. Let's wear a lottery winner, huh? Let's wear that. Yeah, a lottery winner. No. Let's wear that. There we go. Great pants. Okay. Then we have to wear this. No. Okay, fine. Okay, let's wear this. What do you mean? Oh, so you can only wear 2 hats? Oh my gosh. Um, okay, I'm screwed. Oh no! Okay, whatever. That. Oh my gosh. And then since we're a lottery winner, we can have a robot body. And then, oh, I'm panicking. I'm panicking. Put this baby on. Okay, I'm looking pretty sharp. If I don't get 3rd place, I'm gonna leave and dislike this game. Okay. If I don't get the top 3, I'm leaving the game. Because I'm beautiful. I'm so beautiful. I'm done. Now, all we must do is just watch everybody struggle. And if I don't get to 3rd place, I'm leaving. 25 more seconds. 26. 5 more seconds. Alright. If I don't get 3rd place, I'm gonna scream. Alright. No, ew, no, look, no, that face sucks. No, that face sucks. That's in my nightmares. That face is in my nightmares. Gamer Bean 18. I'll give you a 2. Cause if you win the lottery, are you really, do you grow wings if you win the lottery? No. I'm pretty noobs. Everyone vote 5. Everyone vote 5 for me. Everyone vote 5. If you don't, I will ban your Minecraft account. Bragger, bragger, you bragger, you bragger, you bragger. 1 star only. Go away. Go away, you bragger. Brenton bragger, go away. Thank you. Horse Mile 9. Oh my gosh. Nope. Not allowed to show that. Not allowed to show that. Don't look right there. Not allowed to show that. You could have won. You could have won because you spent Robux. Monster Truck Vroom. Okay, now this guy seems like he won the lottery. He got a dog. This guy seems like he won the lottery. He spent all his money on this game. I didn't win. This game sucks. Bye, game. Game, you suck. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for not appreciating me. Okay, what do I play now? Mom. Oh, great, another simulator. Okay, yeah, Santa killing people seems like a really fun game. Really, really fun game. Just a great game. What? I'm not gonna press G. Go away, Windows. What the? Hi. Customize. Ah. Come on! Alright. Sub. This is no. I'm trying to sub to PewDiePie. Actually, hold up. Hold on, give me a second. Okay, there we go. It's way better now. Escape Grandpa's house. Ahaha. 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 Oh. Okay. Who's this man? Did you sit on this man? You sat on this man. Now he's dead. Freaking smushed him. 200 pounds. Ah! This sucks already. Still chill. Okay. Huh. Huh. Still chill. I have to be at least 1. I don't want to. Okay. Still chill. I got an idea. Oof. Okay, good. This is where I hide from the grandpa. And I starve to death in there. Grandpa, why do you have... Why does Grandpa have... Okay. Something's really wrong with this man. Mm, mm, mm. I pressed... Still chill, still chill, still chill, still chill, still chill, still chill, still chill. I pressed the wrong key. Okay. Huh. Okay. I'm doing it this time. If I do it, I'm gonna uninstall Roblox. If I don't do this, I'm uninstalling Roblox. If I don't make this jump, never mind. I'm not uninstalling Roblox. Never mind. Because that would be stupid. I would have no more money. Because then this is basically my YouTube career. So, still chill, still chill, still chill, still chill, still chill. If I installed Roblox, I would lose all my money. I don't want to be living on the streets. Oh, let's go. Okay, I only got like 4 more of those. Don't question what that was. No, Teddy! Okay, where do I go from here? Oh, in there. Okay. I think you're supposed to go this way. I'm not sure. Okay, yeah. A giant kitchen. Avoid the hot grills. Oh, this is easy. Easy, mate. What? Why can't you jump on there? This is stupid. Stupid game. Yeah. There we go. Okay, now. Huh. Huh. Over here. Huh. This one's way easy. Hello, boys. How? I'm gonna start crying if I die. My head is in my... Whew! My head was in my chest. Okay. Huh. 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 Okay, good. I did it. I'm doing it. Stage 6. Bingo? Why bingo? That one was easy, okay? It's a dead end. Try to click an object for a secret door. Where do I click? Aha! Okay. Why are we in the core of the earth? So you're telling me that my grandpa lives underneath the core. Mm, mm, mm. Alright, time to go this way. Oh, on top of there. Oh, okay, that makes sense. Huh. What do you mean? Okay. Okay, buddy. Okay, Buster. I'm still chill. Okay? I'm still chill. Okay, if I die, I'm ending the video. Okay, I died. So, could I get, do me a favor and drop a like, or I will steal your mom's Fortnite account. Can we get to 1 like? That would be great if we would.